Hello, this is Ryan from Vistech Technologies. We are one of the leading manufacturers of LED display in Shenzhen, China. Now I'm here, would like to introduce our new products. This is our COB 55-inch, one of the largest COB panel in the world. We use our 55-inch cabinets to do these products, which can perfectly replace LCD 55-inch. And we also can do, now currently here, this one is 1.2. We also can do like 0.9, 1.5. The solution is 2K. So, and also we can do the normal brightness, high brightness for these products. Because normally, other companies also use the 600 by 337.5, but we want to do the difference. We offer the different solution, different products for our customers. So if you want to know more information, you can come to visit our website, www.vistechdisplay.com. Thank you so much.